Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to find eBay seller tutorials. So open your browser and search for this export.ebay.com and search. This is basically a website that offers absolutely free guides for the beginners. Here you will find a range of articles and guides that cover topics like your first steps, shipping, how to manage listing, and some other topics. So, for example, first steps, how to list your items, and here will be many topics. So if you are a beginner, I highly recommend this website. What else? You can go to eBay Academy, and here you may need to log into your account. And when you are logged in, go to the menu and press Browse. And here are again some guides on different topics. So again, this is here you see that this is detailed article. So if you prefer video tutorials, you can search eBay seller how-to videos and check out for some official tutorials and seller tips. Also, you can try joining the eBay community to stay updated on the latest seller tools and features. And on that eBay community, you can connect with other sellers, ask some questions, and share experiences. And basically, by using these resources that I showed you, you can enhance your selling skills and grow your eBay business effectively. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.